We are going to cover the steps you need to follow in order to have this nice date picker in your application. Hi everyone, I am Matt from Devs United and I'm gonna guide you through the process of implementation of this nice date picker. So let's get started. Open up your Android Studio and create a new project with an empty activity and name it however you want. Then click on the finish and wait for the project to load. In the meanwhile, we can go back to the documentation and head over to the implementation tab. Here we can open a getting started page in the new browser window, and we're gonna need to implement this material design dependency in our app. So let's copy this line and paste it into the Gradle folder and into the build Gradle. So paste here. For me the version is 1.641 for the latest one, and click on the sync now. Now, in the meanwhile, we can adjust our layout file a little bit, so let's head over to it and open it in the split view. Now we are going to put a button here as well, but firstly we are going to change this constraint layout to the linear layout, and we are going to specify gravity and orientation as well. Now under the text view we are going to create a button that once we click on will open a date picker. We also have to put an IDs on both of these elements. And now head over to the main activity class and let's initialize these two elements. So let's copy the first ID and the second ID as well. Don't forget to import the missing classes. And now we can continue with initialization of these two. We can create an on-click listener for our picker button. And we can also create a builder for our material date picker. We can specify title, for example, to be a birthday. And now we can create material date picker. And we can create an add on positive button click listener. That means that when the user clicks on the OK in the selection of the picker, we will know and we will just load a value from the picker with the date he selected. So exactly like this. And now in the main date picker button, we want to show this material date picker. So we can just simply write Now, in this add on positive button listener, we just want to, for example, set the text of our text view to the one we have just selected from the material date picker. Let's just create a new date variable with this selection the user has selected. And we can just import this missing dependency. Now change this to the selection we get from the picker, and we can set the text based on this date object. Exactly like this. Let's now just try to run our application. And once the app is running, click on Open Date Picker. And click on some date, for example 10th of June. Click on OK. And we can see that we have got a time of 10th of June. And the app is working. So, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will try to answer all of them. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.